If you've ever wanted to make your PowerPoint slides stand out, adding text the right way and applying amazing text effects can completely transform your presentation. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's start with the basics. To add text in PowerPoint, head over to the Home tab, click on Text Box, and then simply draw a box anywhere on your slide. From there, you can type in whatever content you want. It's that easy to get your text onto the slide. Now, here's where the magic happens, adding effects that make your text pop. First, select the text you want to enhance, then go to the Format tab. Under the Word Art Styles group, you'll see a variety of built-in styles. You can instantly apply with just one click. These styles can give your text a bold, modern look in seconds. For even more customization, click the Text Effects drop-down menu. Here, you'll find options like shadows, reflections, glows, and even 3D effects. Each of these can add depth and dimension to your text, making it much more eye-catching. If you want total control, right-click your text and choose Format Text Effects. This opens a sidebar where you can fine-tune everything: text fill, outlines, gradient colors, and advanced visual effects. It's perfect if you want your design to match your theme or branding. By combining these tools, you can turn plain text into dynamic visuals that keep your audience engaged and make your slides truly unforgettable. And that's how you add text to PowerPoint and create amazing text effects in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you, make sure to try out these effects in your next presentation and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.